everyone, welcome. It's Gillykube and I'm here on the sunny Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, coming to you with another pour as I do daily. I am just gonna show you quickly, just trying this, or I have tried this global pouring medium, and that's what I'm using today, the global pouring medium. So this is just quickly how I mix it. I don't measure anything, but whoops, that's a fair bit in there. Probably not, I don't need as much as that. I put a good blob in my cup of the paint. So that one is the fluoro orange, which I'm absolutely loving because it just dries very, very bright and vibrant. And just makes everything pop. So with the pouring medium, this particular one, when I want to use this, I just pour in probably equal parts pouring medium to the paint, give it a good stir. I'm not going to add any silicone to this at this point in time. I might even add some of the global isopol, see what alcohol does for helping me make cells instead of silicone or Floetrol. So I might try that today. So these are the products I'm trying. Is the global impasto, I've got the metallic pearl. I will tell you the colours as I go along, but that's just how I mix it. So I've put about equal parts in there. If it's too thick, then I just add a little bit of water instead of more pouring medium, of that particular pouring medium. So, and this pouring medium does dry very nice and glossy. So, and I don't want, as I've told you I'm going to, I've gone all through that, so I won't stop repeating myself. So that was just a quick demo on showing you what I do for my consistency with that particular pouring medium. So I've got all the rest of the paints made up, so I will just pop on my gloves. I hope I find you all okay and everybody doing well. My husband John is doing really well at the moment, for those that know that he wasn't well for a little while. He's doing really well, so we're just just keep doing what we're doing. You just got to keep on going no matter what, haven't you? Just got to keep on going. So I'm doing what I love and Johnny's out doing what he loves at the moment. So all good in the world. Now I couldn't think, like, you have blocks that, what should I do today? So I'm kind of going basically a split. I'm going to split my canvas. This was the metallic, it's actually the metallic black. It's actually metallic black, but it looks very grey blue. So I'm going with that one. And I'm going to pour half of it, probably not one, 2/3 shall I say, around 2/3. I'm not one for measurements, as I've told you so many times before. I've got this lovely little offset spatula I found in the baking section. Obviously it's used for icing, so I've just found they're great because the offset, instead of just flat, seems to help you spread the paint about or do effects in the paint. So, really lovely. So that's what I'm using today. So I'm just going to spread my paint. Not too worried about my edges, because I always like to sort of edit the edges afterwards and fill them in with whatever colour. So I'm not too worried about those at this present time. And remember, it's just something that you need to be doing and relaxing at the same time and not hurrying. And I'm just finding myself that I'm hurrying for whatever reason, but I shouldn't be. I'm going to add a little bit more water to this because I do want it a little bit runnier if I want to use a bit more to blow some paint about. So just add a little bit of water, that's all. And for the top section, I'm going to just add the pearl white. So that's got the pouring medium in and a little bit of water as well. So I'll add the pearl. Actually, I probably need a little tad more, just water. I'll just add a tad more water, just for this particular technique, because I'm going to use the blower to blow it. So if I was going to do my balloon kisses, then I leave it thicker rather than on the thin side, so the balloon kisses hold. So just spreading that about. You can obviously do this particular with your blow dryer. You can blow the paint, if the paint is thin enough, that is. So just spreading it nice and even across your canvas. Just nice and slow, and just enjoy the process more than anything. I have to try and remember to keep a little cloth beside to keep wiping off my tools as I go, because I was getting some really crabby looking tools with all the paint that I was collecting on them. Just pouring a little bit more white in there. Pearl white, pearl white. Okie doke. I am going to use this gorgeous, I'm loving this one as well, Turquoise Beach by Global. So that has my pouring medium in it too. So I'm going to just do straight-ish lines. Straight. Ooh. Dipped me Duvalaki in it. I'm going to throw some of the fluoro pink in here, just because I can and because it's so nice and bright. I love it. And then obviously the pink and grey go beautifully. And then I will put some of that fluoro orange in here too. Now I've got some of the deep sea. I'm not sure whether I should put the I was thinking of putting the because this has got no silicone or no Floetrol or nothing in it. Like I said, I wanted to put the isopropyl, but I just might try and blow some out to start with, and let's see how I go. I'm just using my heat gun first. Burst the bubbles as it does. Burst your bubble. Just put a bit more of that grey in here because I can see a bit of the canvas, so I want to be able to blow some of that paint, whether it will or not. I don't think I've got it thin enough, but I'm not trying to actually do a Dutch pour, but I still want to blow some of the paint, so we will see how this one goes. Let's see if I can blow the paint with the little heat wand. Not really floating my boat. Gonna go to plan B. I don't really like that effect, me personally. You may like it, but I will switch over and get my pieces of card. And I'm just thinking if I'm gonna use the turquoise. Oh no, where's it gone? Turquoise. That's going off track now because that's the turquoise mixed with Floetrol, and I wanted to try the alcohol ink. So I'll grab a lid and quickly put in. Oh, now I'm going off track. I've got the turquoise here mixed with Floetrol. I know I'm going to try it. I'm going to just try this. So I'm going to let the card sink in I'm going to pull it back. Wowzers, trousers. How awesome is that? So that was actually the turquoise and floetrol in there. And the cells are jumping off the canvas. So this card is getting a bit wow, okie doke. That is, I have to bring the camera down to show you these cells. They're pretty unbelievable. Wowzers, trousers. I'll grab a different piece of card because that's getting a bit floppy. You know, when it gets floppy, you've got to stop. I'm just trying it with my soft plastic file divider now. Let's give this, oh, this is wobbly. Oh my goodness, look at, oh, that is deliciosa. Look at that. There's cells. Oh my goodness, that is beautiful. Oh my goodness, wowzers, trousers. Obviously, the cells are so absolutely gorgeous against the white, with the white background. Oh my goodness, they are absolutely lovely, 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 jubbly, jubbly. Those jumping up, that is unbelievable. It's so gorgeous. It's probably nice to leave a bit of the white, isn't it? Wow, wow, wow. That is pretty special, if I do say so myself. And they just I have to bring you down to see these cells. They are absolutely gorgeous. The colours, I don't know, the colours I've used, they're just absolutely jumping off the canvas. Look at this. Look at that. Okay, the magic. Let some more magic happen. Of course it will happen with my gorgeous balloon art. I'm going to go over it with my heat gun again, just burst any bubbles. Okie dokie. I'll do some things out the way because I always knock things over if I don't. That's it. Let the fun begin. Let the games begin. Okie doke, let's do this. Oh my goodness. Not going to do any more because that is enough with that size balloon. Then bring in the baby. Bring in the baby to finish off the look. Wow. I mean, they don't look like the traditional balloon work I do. It just has added something in that, over that swipe area, and that when it's dried off I could do some more detailing in it. But I will just bring you down to have a look at these super duper cells that I have here. So here we are, look at these cells. They were unbelievable, just gorgeous. Probably is nice to leave some area in between. They went a bit wobbly there, I'm not sure why. But and then on the grey side, look at that, which you can't often see when I've got the camera up on the tripod. All these gorgeous lacing. Well, it's lace, gorgeous lacing. Look at that, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Coming into, I think I'll let these balloon kisses dry off a bit and then come in and just try to put a bit more definition in that area. But look at that. How gorgeous is that? That's wowzers trousers for sure. For sure. Okay, you guys, I hope, oh, go up, 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 up. Hope you like that. Hope you find that one interesting. Maybe give it a go. Please join me again tomorrow. As you know, I'm back every day. If you haven't subscribed, press the subscription button. If you want to be notified of my videos, press the notification bell. But I am here every day with a video, putting out a video every day. So thanks so much. Really, really appreciate you all. Stay safe, people. If you're feeling sad, lonely, need a friend, please talk to someone or a helpline. It's always help for us all out there if we're willing to reach out. Okie dokie. Bye for now.